I guess I need to constantly check on Collider. Is it on Collider stay? I can't remember. On collision stay? But is there one for on trigger stay? So this is called an all frames. So it'll trigger as long as something is colliding. On trigger stay. I'm gonna turn this into a function because I've been reusing it in multiple places.
All right, while you're doing that, actually, can I? Let me see if I can do this real quick. Can I add display caption? I'll add you.
Yeah, there we go. Now I can't force him to stand up.
Awesome.
But then when you leave, he still stays crouching until I disable it.
So you need an on exit?
Yeah, I have it on exit here. Player controller input. Oh, false. Whoopsie, my bad.
That's right, my bad. Don't do it, Dizzy. Don't do it. Nope, not well. All right. So I got your stream up in the corner of my stream. A stream and a stream.
Who?
All right, and I am going to focus on the next room. Which room should we do? Restroom, shopping center, playground, robotics room, UFO room, bedroom, mannequin room, weapons room, car showcase room, or bubble room?
Oh my god. Dude, you better get Rebecca on another computer so she can help build these rooms.
What room, babe?
That's a lot of rooms.
What room did you just do?
The rock room's the last room that I.
Okay.
Well, I mean, I updated the.
Right.
Updated the rock room, and then I just recently updated the warehouse room.
But which one will this be coming off of?
It doesn't. So we're making it procedural, so it'll be random.
Okay.
So it doesn't matter
Okay.
what order they are in. They're just weird rooms.
So you want to make sure you have the mannequins.
The mannequins?
Yeah.
The mannequin room. All right.
I mean, because ideally you want to prioritize it so that if you run out of time, like, the shitty stuff is left.
Okay. All right.
Wouldn't it be cool if you had like a room, like So what do you have in mind for the mannequin room?
I don't know yet. What are your finish your thought?
I was gonna say like just try to make it like as creepy as you can. Uh, I was gonna say like I don't know if like you could have like a conveyor belt that's on and it's just like going around in a circle with like mannequins and it'll go like out behind the wall.
Yeah,
Um, so there'll be like two openings on the wall and the conveyor belt will go
sure.
in through one and out through the other and have like mannequins. And then you could I don't know maybe you could have like the mannequins laugh or something. Something creepy.
That 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 sounds real creepy. We'll see. Once I get into the assets again, because that's where I kind of I have the general idea, and then I start looking at the assets, and then I build off of that. So we'll see. I'll try to see if there's a conveyor belt already in one of the assets.
So this room, this warehouse room, the the forklift is not inside of the prefab. Do you want me to put it in there, or do you want me to leave it out as like if it was just like a modification?
Which one isn't in the prefab room?
The the new forklift that you had, or actually none of them are. They're all like all of them are.
Hold on a second. So I swear I added them. I added them.
Oh, I mean I do see a
Yeah.
forklift in here.
When I click on a
They
forklift, I see it inside the prefab.
um. So the
Oh, that one is outside. Why are those two outside?
yeah, that one, and then the boxes on top of the second forklift are outside.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and put those
I could
in.
just throw them in there. I mean, it doesn't matter. I'm getting ready to push the
All right, well you do that.
crouching thing.
You merge them into there. But yes, they should have been part of the prefab. No, GZ.
So, okay. What is this game object? Oh, that's just a test game object.
Just ignore it. How dare you, Disney?
All right, so we're gonna call this
How do I?
Mannequin.
How do I override it? Oh, I
So
found
yeah,
it.
you go. Yeah, you found it.
Click on individual items to review and revert. It won't let me.
Yeah, if you click on the individual item, it'll let you hit apply. So applies to the left. So click on one of the individual items.
Like this one?
And then you see the pop up that popped up,
Oh, yeah.
and then it lets you hit apply.
Ah, okay.
There you go.
Dang, I gotta select each individual one.
Yeah, you gotta select each individual thing. That's why it's better for me to, like, I prefer making it not a prefab, and doing all what I want to do, and then make it a prefab.
Okay, that did it.
Okie dokie.
I can get rid of this game.
All right, let's see.
Oh, then the other thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tag. I'm just gonna tag these rooms as rooms. I think
What do I need to do?
I'm tagging them as rooms so that I can as a room, so that I can detect them. Okay.
Well, I don't think I have that layer or that tag already. Because if I click on the mannequin room I just made and I go to tag, I do not see room.
No, I haven't pushed up the tag yet.
Okay. Well, then I will wait for you to push it up.
Or No, I think I did tag it, but I don't know. Maybe you just haven't pushed it down.
I don't know.
Room, sample scene, reflection.
I don't know.
Or
All
no,
right.
no, not the reflection probe.
Boo, 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 boo. All right, so let me open up my.
Oh, another thing we need to do. So I'm gonna there. I just pushed it up. So I'm gonna work on adding the. I have to add the anchors to because right now the only room that has an anchor is the office. No, the rock room is what has the start anchor and the end anchor. But um, actually, I still have to finish working on the room on the world controller. Detect the room the player is in. Okay, world controller. Then, so I'm in the office. When I come in here, I'm in the warehouse. And I'm in the rock room. Okay, cool. So that's working. Player in room. So that means that I'll make a new function called procedural room update. Procedural.
What if I? So do you? Can you see my screen?
Um, I don't think you're streaming. I mean, like I have to.
There you
Oh,
go.
no.
How's that?
Yep, I can see it.
Okay. So what if I have this as like the mannequins? So there's two like ones where they're like putting their hands up like a male and a female,
Oh yeah,
which is a
yeah,
really abnormal position for a mannequin.
yeah.
But I think that's even. I mean, I guess I could have them like these as well, but I kind of like these. Just a whole bunch of those would be like, what in the world?
Yep.
All right, I'll pull in these.
What mannequins?
Oh, you want to look at them? So I'm thinking from the prototype series, um, and these were the two that I was like, these are weird, and then so just a bunch of those.
But they're all like adults.
Oh, you want children
The
mannequins?
creep. So I don't have a problem with mannequins. I am terrified of the child and toddler mannequins. They're the creepiest things. Like a regular mannequin, okay, little weird, whatever. It's the baby ones that I'm like, why? Have you ever seen one like made to look like it's crawling on the floor?
Yeah.
Oh no, no. Nightmares. Instant nightmares. So I hate going like So when you first go into like a Myers and it's the baby clothes, I hate it. Hate it. Because they always have 3 baby mannequins crawling at you. Go away. Can't.
I don't think I have any children.
Maybe it was too scary.
Which I think I'm surprised because they'll have the whole town pack. You think the town pack would have kids? Especially since it has a playground. You know what I'm saying? Where's the kids for the playground? And it's got a baby crib? Where's the baby? Oh, here we go. Son. Oh, here we go. There's a kid. Okay. That's the models. Where's the prefabs of these characters? Son. There's no baby. No baby. I'm looking on Turbo Squid now real quick to see what they have. Oh, and I also need to pull your thing back up. There. What did you? You know what? Come here. Come here. Come here.
You already don't like it.
Wanted attention. You wanted attention. There you go, Dizzy. You're live. You're live. Oh, stop.
On a broadcast. They will put you down. Finally convinced people to make dishes.
You know what? What if I looked for a dwarf? Do I have a dwarf in here? Is it offensive?
Yeah, to say a dwarf, a child is interchangeable? It's gotta be offensive. Definitely not.
These look more like the typical mannequins. Is that what I should have?
Well, I mean, no, if you want to go the creepy route, go the creepy route. I'm just saying if you had kids, the kid mannequins.
Well, here's the thing. I can make it look like a kid mannequin by shrinking this one down. So, but here's the thing. Should the mannequin look? Come here.
My legs.
I know you just fixed your legs, but I didn't break your legs in the first place.
Yes, you did.
Should I have it look more like this is the mannequin, which is more like the typical mannequin, or the one I showed you earlier?
I mean, if you can do it with any of them, yeah, do it with the one that's like.
One that would look really weird.
Yeah, that look like it's mid jumping jack. Like
Yeah.
not that one, but the one that's
The
like
one that was
good.
All right. All right. So for now, I just gotta pop in. I go back to our project and find my downloads. No, Unity downloads. What's the prototype package? Don't care about that.
You know what I just noticed?
What'd you just notice?
That the scripts actually reload when the game is playing. I don't have to like stop it and start it up again.
Ah, interesting.
Because I just changed the debug thing, and then when I switched back to the editor, like it reloaded the script as the game is playing.
You know, we already have some of these in here. Cancel. So can I re-import? No, that's not the button I want. I guess it's because we moved it that when I open it up again, it doesn't let me replace the same thing. That's fine. It is what it is.
What is it?
I've already pulled some assets from this. I'm trying to not pull in everything.
Oh, but you moved it to the third party
But I
folder.
moved it to the third party folder. Yeah, exactly.
Oh.
I don't think I need any of that. I think I just need characters. Yeah. That. Whatever. Import it. In other projects, I would just import the whole thing, but I'm trying to not make our Git to be too big.
Yeah. Oh, check it out, Brock. But kind of far.
Oh, sorry. That might be my fault.
Huh? Oh.
But that one might be my fault. I currently have a gap. Oh, wait, no, I haven't pushed my change up.
Yeah, it's probably just because of the anchors. But look, I'm not adding, like, I haven't added that room. I got stuck. I haven't added that room in here. So you see how there's only 3 rooms?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, like you can see this, how well you can see.
Yeah, I can see it.
So in here in the procedural rooms, this is empty.
Right.
But once I go, so
You have
right
it
now the
halfway.
reason why it's not working is because the warehouse and the office, they don't have any anchors.
Oh, gotcha.
So since they don't have any anchors, it doesn't, like it's not doing the job of like procedurally generating it. But as soon as I go into the rock room, which has an anchor, you'll see that a procedural room will be generated. Once I get like less than 30 meters away. So hold on, there we go. So now in here, you can see there's a room that was added. So if we go over here, there's the room. Hey, check it out! I jumped over it. And then, oh, so you saw how I just jumped to this room, right?
Yeah.
If I keep going, guess what? There's not gonna be another room, and I don't know why. Oh,
I
it's because hold on, it's because I forgot to reset. Um,
was gonna say, shouldn't it just keep on respawning the same room over and over and over again?
Yeah, it's because I need to reset this once you go out of the other room. So when the room changes. Doom, doom, doom.
Alright, now why isn't this moving for me? It should.
Yeah, because it's not gonna create the room if the room is ready. Anchored in room ready. So we set that to true. So I need to get the I need to keep track of the last room that we were in to be able to public game object last room player was in.
Boo, 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 boo. Okay, alright, what do I'm missing something apparently.
Oh, public get private set. Does this work?
Go. Alright. So inside of our room. Let's do that, delete that. Alright. See if there's any listed in here. Is conveyor doesn't look like there is. Make sure I'm looking at all assets. Conveyor. Belt.
Almost didn't make it there. Okay, why? Oh, I'm trying to figure out why this thing is not getting the parent. Or um What in the world?
I'm not seeing like an easy conveyor belt thing. So for now, I'm just gonna have all these mannequins like position in here and see what happens. Why are they going? What is happening here? Is that an angle? No. Why aren't they at an angle?
What?
Look at my screen. Apparently, I accidentally added one of those mannequins into the office. I kind of want to leave them there. That's kind of funny. It's kind of weird. What if I just added a mannequin hiding around in different spaces? Oh, I still need to pull your changes down, dang it.
Why is this thing?
Now. Is that creepy?
Yeah, that's really creepy, dude.
What do I want to... Wish you could change the rotation of a collider. Can change its offset a little bit. Oh. Nope, don't want that. You know what I just realized we need to do with him?
What?
We need to lock his so he doesn't go left or right by accident. Where's the... Can we do that?
Can we do what? I'm sorry.
Lock it where he can't get pushed left or right.
I don't know, cause if he had a rigid body, yeah, but since he doesn't have one,
All right. All right. Well, I will just leave this thing the way it was. Oh no, I can still run past it. All right, fine. Can't be capsule collider. It needs to be a box collider. Could potentially be both. That's say good enough. Box collider to each one of these. I'll spread these further away. Dang it, he got knocked off course. I don't like that. Don't like that. You think there's something? Is there anything we can easily do? Or we're just gonna have to fix that when it happens?
For what? Like the screen is really pixelated, so I can't see.
So sometimes he gets knocked off course. Like
Oh.
walking on stuff. The physics like knocks him not like off the z-axis.
Um. The only thing I can think of is to add like some colliders on the side, make like
Oh yeah, duh. Thank
kind of
you.
like a closet,
Yeah, no,
like a channel.
no, that makes total sense. Thank you. All right, box collider, but no mesh renderer. Cast Shadows is off. Keep our man in line. Wow, add capsule icon. Alright, so let me try on. Actually, let's play again. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, that worked perfectly, dude. I can bring, oops, not that, not that. And I thought I named it Keeping Our Man in Line. Did I not save that? Cube. Keeping Our Man in Line. Enter. Okay. Now where's my other box collider? I somehow lost that. Whatever, it doesn't matter.
Why does it say I'm in room rock?
Makes sense. Hold on.
Oh. Well, that'll do it.
That will do it. What are we talking about?
When you I guess when you instantiate a prefab, it doesn't. Oh no, never mind. I see. Like the prefabs, like I had the tag attached. Oh, I guess maybe I didn't apply the tag to the prefab. There, the room tag. There. Now I should have it. Okay, so controller. I'm in rock. Jump. Okay. So now. Oh, damn. Huh. Hey, Brock.
Yeah, yo.
Look at my screen.
I'm looking at your screen.
All right, hold on.
Holding on.
So I just came into this room, right?
Mm-hmm.
The rock room.
The rock room.
I'm going. Then I'll jump into the other rock room.
Or you will not jump into the other room because apparently you can't jump.
Apparently I can't. Alright, let me put me back. That's weird that it. I guess I didn't like get the.
What's weird? What's weird?
That I didn't make the jump. Alright, let me just try it again.
I mean, it's just your skills is not that great.
Nope.
So
Like I hit a wall or something.
I hear excuses.
Let me see. Alright, so I'm gonna jump into this rock room. Yeah, see the like he is right at the edge of the wall.
Right, because the rock room probably knocked him off course. That's what I was trying to fix, and that's what I have fixed in this room. I'll fix it in the others as well, so that way he can't get knocked off course.
I see.
Yeah.
Alright, so can I not move? Okay, yeah.
I don't know.
So
Can you move?
I'm gonna move myself.
Can you move?
So now watch. You watching?
I'm watching.
Even though it's probably gonna knock me off course again. So this is the second rock room, and now there's a third rock room. And now I'm gonna keep running. And running. Now there's a four. Oh, yep, it knocked me off course again.
Okay.
But yeah, like
working.
if I move him, you can see. You can see my screen.
Yes, yes, I can see.
Watch. If I just keep moving him this way, it just keeps creating rooms.
Nice.
But anyways, yeah. So now I need to do the same thing for the other direction. I need to make it so that
You need to kill the other direction, right?
yeah.
So it needs to depop the other direction.
Yep.
All right. Did you make changes to any of the room prefabs?
Yeah, I just added the tags.
All right. So push those changes up if you haven't already.
Okay, let me save the audio listen. More updates to Loop and Chat. I just pushed it up.
All right, let me save this. I'm not done with this room, so I'm not going to turn it into a prefab just yet. But I'll save it and send it up to you. So give me a second. Let me pull down your changes.
Okay.
Actually, let me commit these changes.
So I'm gonna work with the controller for a minute where
started.
where we so
Apparently this is going to take a minute. Come on. Why is it taking so long to commit my changes?
Why can't I destroy this? Oh, is it game object? Game object. Destroy? Yeah.
You destroyer, you. Come on, hurry up. Golly. There it goes. Golly. All right. Now I'm pulling down your changes. Yes, yes, yes. Merge conflict. What do we got? What's our conflict? It's in our scene. I'm confused. Where's the actual conflicts? I see it showing my changes.
Scroll down, keep going. Like, look on the sidebar, on the mini. Oh, there we go.
Well, I'm seeing like greens.
Well, scroll down a little bit, because the current change, you gotta see what the incoming change is. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Up right there. So the incoming changes that it doesn't have whatever you added. So you want to
So
just
that should have come in as a pure whatever.
So just hit accept current change if it's not on there.
Accept current change.
Yeah, then go down to the next one.
I think it's the same thing with all of these.
Oh, you just passed them. Yep, that one's not there, so
Apparently I skipped one. I skipped one? Oh my god, that's this thing. Same thing, right?
Yep.
Okay. Normally it doesn't count this as a merge conflict though.
There's probably one that that isn't.
I don't see.
Maybe not.
I don't see anything that's not.
You got one up there, which is probably gonna be just like all the others.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the thing. I saw no red. Normally there's red. Good. We're good. We're good.
Make sure you save it. There we go.
Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Which I
To
didn't mean to
save
do.
game.
I moved the dude. I meant to move him back before I saved. Sorry.
Oh, that's fine. So he's just gonna spawn in that room?
Yeah, right now.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, just because I've been working on this room, I figured it was easier for me to just move him instead of running through every single room.
Yeah.
But I do need to actually put him back and test to make sure the your change just came in, right? The play. Game not starting.
What happened?
I don't know. It's not starting.
Oh yeah, it's because well, that error shouldn't be stopping. Are there any other errors? Is it just that one?
I think it was that one, the world controller one.
Yeah, just double click on it and it'll take you. Double click on the error. Oh, but that should be fine though, even if it doesn't get the anchor. Um, go. Click into. Why is he still in the T pose?
But technically running, like I don't hear any music or anything.
Oh, it's paused. What? Hmm. Hold on. Let me. Maybe I pushed it while it was in like the middle of. Okay. So did you push that up already?
That all of those things should be pushed.
Okay. Hold on. Let me.
So you save your stuff and then pull down and do a merge.
Yeah. Get mid. Okay. Now let me try to pull it.
Here, I'll go ahead and put him back in the normal position too.
What
Or-
happens if you just right click on the scene and just hit like reset scene? Like on the left side in the hierarchy thing. Like if you scroll all the way up to the top and click on the scene name and then discard, I think it's like discard changes or something like that.
It's not highlighted for me.
Hmm?
It's not letting me click on discard changes.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Let me do a git pull real quick.
I'll go ahead and close out of the project completely. Sometimes I feel like when I have the project open and Git open, it causes issues.
Yeah, I mean he's working fine for me. It could have just been that I like messed up and probably committed it while it wasn't working.
All right, so you did a push.
I'm doing it right now.
Okay.
Okay, it did it. Oh, my love. Okay, so is he working now?
That's playing. Now let me put him back. Where are we? Put him back. Sorry, I got like those pawn things everywhere.
Distance to anchor and is less than.
Okay, so put him back. Put him back to position X0.
And then what?
And then hit play.
Oh. And then. And then. Do you know where that's from?
No.
Hello.
What in the world? It is not. It's not playing for me. It's so weird. It just played a second ago. And I'm putting him back to the beginning. Or back to the where I had him in the other room. It plays fine. On pair.
What in the world?
What?
How am I supposed to get through?
I didn't edit that.
You mean you didn't add the forklift like that? Like flipped upside down?
No, look at my screen.
Uh Hey, I can still get through.
Let me run backward. Oh, snap.
Uh,
Did you see that, dude? Hold on.
Didn't see it.
You see my screen?
Yep.
When I hit play. Bam! That thing gets thrown.
Oh man.
Why?
Oh, is it maybe like
Who added another box?
I didn't add a box.
Well, there's not another box until we hit play. Bam!
What in the world?
Another box is getting generated. Another 2 boxes are getting generated.
Is it so if you look at the hierarchy, like, are you sure that maybe you just didn't like update the what is it called? The prefab itself, and maybe you're just getting like double stuff. I don't know. And it looks fine there. That's the weird part.
Oh, there's another box.
Oh. Oh.
So that's where our box is coming from. Okay.
I wonder if that was what you just did the accept current thing on.
Yeah, that's fine. Open the prefab. Yeah, I want to delete that. Go back. No overrides. All right. Let's hit play. Bam! It is still. What is happening? Is
Probably because there's 2 forklifts in there. No, I don't know.
Oh snap!
Huh?
That's exactly what it is. Golly, what in the world happened? All right. Prefab.
You can just double click it, I think, to go to the prefab.
Oh, well, there's not 2 here.
That's strange.
Okay, so what in the hell?
Is that one outside of the prefab, maybe?
That one was. What in the world? Oh, you know what? You remember at one point we were like, we both said, oh, yeah, we can just pull that into the prefab. Yeah, I think it pulled into the prefab. Like you did that, but because I didn't pull it also into the prefab, when it merged, it left all of those objects in there outside of the room. That doesn't need to be there. 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 And that doesn't need to be there. Everything else, I'll go ahead and even move all of this into the mannequin room. I don't know what this game object is. Do you know what this game object is?
You can delete that. I had deleted that though. Yeah, you can delete that game.
Delete that. Alright, is that everything? Want to put him back in that position. Hit play. It's still not playing for me, dude. When I'm in that position, I don't know. I'm gonna save this and see if it causes you issues.
See if your prefabs have the room tags.
Well, the office
Yeah, it's got
room tag, warehouse room tag, rock room tag. The mannequin did not have the room tag, and that's where he plays right.
Mm.
So hold on, I'm gonna take the room tag off for a second and hit play. And now it plays for me. But if I do if I go back to, what was that, room?
Room.
Where is room? Oh, there it is.
Second, yeah.
And then I hit play again. Yep, that's when I get the error.
Double click on the error for a second. I just want to see if room player is in does not no current room anchor start. Is that what line is actually erroring out?
So that's where it took me to 36.
Okay. But hold on, because on there it says I think it's 62. Let me see. Go back to the.
Where?
Yeah, it's line 62 is
62?
what's erroring out. Which is find room name slash. Which I mean, it's fine. That should still not like make it error out. Because I'm getting that error too. Because the room doesn't have a start and end anchor, and I'm getting that error, but mine plays fine.
Let's see. Let's go to my game. Isn't there like a pause? Pause on air or something? Yep, pause on air. Maybe that's what I have selected.
Maybe.
There we go. That's what it was. Should I leave that mannequin in the main office?
Yeah, I would just leave it because maybe people will think that it's a mannequin factory or something. Now there's only one box.
God damn it.
I can't see what like the is really pixelated, so like I can't really tell what you're doing.
Oh, right. He got knocked off course. Okay. All right. I'll save this and push it up, and then I'll add in the course correction stuff. Save.
I got an idea. Well, no, because it's gonna.
What's your ID?
What if we just instead of doing like a channel for all the rooms, why not just put two boxes on either side of mm, the the character, and have the boxes follow the character on the x-axis, but have it so that that box will have a collider, and then we can just have it so that the boxes are constrained on the Y and the Z. It can only move in the X, and it basically stays with the character. That way, if the character tries to go left or right, it'll just bump into it and not do anything.
Whatever's
As
fine with me, man.
as opposed to like having a long channel for every room.
Well, I was thinking we don't even necessarily need to have it for every room. We can have it where it's just like outside of the room.
Outside of the room? What do you mean?
Yeah, here, hold on. Let me move it outside the room. Put it in the mannequin room, didn't I? Keep. Where? Which way are we going?
The what?
Okay. All right. Length of floor. Length of building. In a sense, you know? All right, let me do one more thing. Mannequin room. All right. Let's see if this keeps them on course or not. Seriously, I can't move this thing now? Whatever, I'm just gonna jump over it all. No! How much do you want to bet that those boxes are now being stopped by those collider walls?
Um, you can set like if you create a layer. Um, is it?
I don't know,
It's
you
not
can't.
even in the same line, is it? It looks like it's.
There we are, it's too
Oh
tight.
no, yeah, there we go.
Too tight. But I made it tight so that he didn't move.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So what you're saying put these on a layer.
Yeah, create a new layer and just call it, I don't know, whatever. Call it like
Player rails.
rail, yeah. And now, if you go to, apply that layer to the rail. Yeah. Now what you can do is go to edit, or sorry, I think it might be, yeah, go to project settings. I can't remember if it was in project settings or in the player. There should be, go to physics, and then you see the layer collision matrix down there. Have it so that he only collides with. Is there not one for like the player? I guess we probably want to add one for the player and have it so that the so that the so you see power rails on the top. So you want to uncheck everything on the in that matrix on the bottom of the window. Uncheck everything on the first column, like all the way down, because that's the power rails column. You don't want the power rails column to collide with anything. Uh, but you need to add a new layer called player and assign that to the player so that you can select it in here and just say that it only collides with that.
Oh, gotcha. So I do need to make another one of player.
Yep.
And put him on player.
Yep.
Or I can just put him on player rails, can't I? No. I got what you're saying. Never mind. All right. This player needs to be able to collide with everything.
Yeah, actually, if you put him on
no, because that would make him not. It would make him not collide with everything.
Yeah, he won't collide with anything then.
All right. So project settings.
Yeah. So player will collide with everything but player rails.
And player rails will collide.
Will just collide with player rails.
But no, I think this is fine. Right? Yeah.
Hold on, it's really pixelated. Like I can barely
No.
see.
I think that's right. I think that's right.
Whoa.
Or it's not right. What did I put him on?
Did you not assign him to the?
I put him on player rails instead of player.
Okay.
He
needs to be player. And player needs to collide with everything. Dude, I can barely tell.
There we go.
I can't. Can you see my screen? Look, this is what it looks like to me. I don't know how well you can see, but it's all like pixelated.
Well, go to Twitch. What does it look like on Twitch?
Oh, well, on Twitch it probably looks fine.
Not my fault. Discord is always not great. Kind of weird. Okay.
Did it work?
Oh, it's
What?
It's merging the room I'm working on.
Oh yeah.
And the new rooms. That's funny. was so weird.
But yeah, you should just keep like creating those rooms.
All right.
Oh,
So saving this and then pushing it up.
I think the issue is that that track that you made,
Yeah.
it's not like infinite, so the rooms can.
But we don't need it to be infinite because we're gonna have a finite amount of rooms.
I mean, we are gonna have a finite amount of rooms, but every time that a room spawns when you're going to the right, you're going like you're moving in the x-axis in the world.
Yeah.
It's so that's what I'm saying. Like if the rail only goes along the x-axis for so long.
Right, but that's what I'm saying is however many rooms we plan on having, we'll just make it that long.
Okay. I got you.
I mean, I get what you're saying, but I feel like that's like over engineering for the problem.
Okay. Well, I was just gonna have it be infinite, like.
I know,
Like the
but I
game
don't
would
think
never
I
end.
don't think we need to worry about that. I think this solution's fine.
All right. Well, can you push it up so I can pull it
Did I
down
not?
here?
I thought
Yes.
it did.
Oh, I don't know.
Pull it. Do a pull.
Let me do a pull, and hopefully nothing breaks.
Hopefully nothing breaks. I'm gonna keep on working on this mannequin room.
Ah, the stupid reflection probes. Okay, I just pulled it. Um, does this have the fix that you did for like the extra objects that were in the warehouse?
It should.
Okay.
I just forgot to mention that in my commit.
No, that's fine. Like I said, I don't really look at the commit messages. Let me see. Dum dum dum. All right. Q.
All right.
All right, Matthew McConaughey.
You know what? What's this? What do I need to do? I would like to have those rails visible in the editor at all times. How do I do? Can I do that?
Um, I don't know. Rails. Oh, length of building. Yeah, I don't know. Without having to like do some like custom stuff to like always draw it on, I'm not sure. What was I gonna? Oh yeah, I was gonna work on the procedural thing some more. That's weird.
What's weird?
Hold on. Can you hear my audio
Not really.
on my computer?
Nah, not really in the game.
No, I'm saying like since I'm sharing my screen, can you hear my computer audio? Can you
No,
hear like the audio of the game?
no, that's what I'm saying. Not really. No. Every once in a while I can, but not. It's not very loud.
Oh, okay. Dang, there's all these dead mannequins. Oh wait, dead mannequins. There's no such thing. They're not alive. I like the guy. Oh, I forgot this is supposed to be. Okay, I forgot that these are two rooms blended
Yeah,
together.
they're two rooms blended.
I was like, I like how the guy's just in the background waving. It's like all the mannequins are trying to protect him.
I think this guy's got moved over.
Okay, so I am going to continue working on this procedural thing
You do that.
because I'm gonna try to make it so that now I have to figure out like when to delete the room. So this will be if
I swear I made this male female, and apparently now that I'm looking at it, they're all male. And
wow.
then all the dead bodies are female.
Oh man. Oh, that one's holding everybody up.
I was gonna have her rotated towards the player.
Okay, so current. Oh, that's why.
You're probably gonna think I'm trying to make a political statement or something. It has nothing to do with anything except being weird.
This thing is. Why is it doing? Am I deleting the wrong one?
You're always deleting the wrong thing.
Mm-hmm. See. So, can you look at my screen for a second?
No. Yes.
So I have it. I gotta like this thing's driving me crazy. So you see how when I got close, it created the room, and then when I went into the next one, it deleted. Oh crap! And there he goes. Uh, oh, hold on. So it's kind of working, but I gotta like set like a distance where the player um where the player can't see.
Hey, I got a question for you.
Mm-hmm.
How so they've made one texture and one material. And when it's applied to these ponds, it picks the yellow. But so I made this just the spear, right? And I applied the same texture to it. How do I get it to be that part of the material?
Um. So wait, what? I couldn't see like I couldn't really see what you were like pointing at because it's all pixelated.
Okay.
So, but I'm looking at your Twitch stream, which is kind of delayed. So you have the sphere, and I see the texture applied to it. So
Yes,
what are you trying to do?
it's the same texture, but because like I don't know how they picked the yellow part of the texture for the entire body of these ponds. Like how?
Oh, yeah, it's the UV mapping on the model itself.
Oh, gotcha. So I just need to pick the same UV mapping. Yeah.
Um, yeah, look and see. Well, the thing is that the sphere is not gonna have the same UVs as the mannequin model. So it's not gonna know how to wrap it.
I just saw that somewhere. Where did that go to? Oh, here we are. Base UV mapping. Oh, they're both base UV mapping, aren't they? Oh,
Yeah,
yeah. That changed it for the entire texture.
yeah, it's the so um
It's all right. I'll do is I'll just try to color match it as best as I can. So I'll just put a different material on this one. Or yeah.
damn. So I need to do two calculations.
All right, that seems close enough to me. Now I made a pregnant one. Few things here.
Damn it! He keeps falling. What?
I was trying to figure out. So, I'll try to maximize my screen. Can you see it?
It's yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, I'll try to.
No, it looks good. It's not pixelated.
Okay. So I was trying to figure out like how to get past her, right? And so I kneeled down and I did this and I do that. Oh, whoa, it didn't do it that time. Okay, if I'm pushing forward. If I push forward and then let go of it, it jumped me over
Oh my
here.
God, dude. I'm sorry, but this scene is so creepy. The pregnant woman and then the kids. Oh man.
But now I'm like outside the rail. It's kind of weird. It like let me jump through the rails. So where was that? I can just pull that from this, right? You said you added a collider.
Yep. No, it's not that one. Or is it? Yeah, it is.
Is it that one?
No, it's not that one. No. No, the collider, it was like its
There it goes.
own thing. There it is.
Come back here. What'd you call it?
I think I called it forklift collider. Or forklift crouch. Yeah, there it is. Forklift crouch. It's the third from the.
I'll just drag that into the mannequin one. I remember that. Not that far. Awesome. Perfect. Which is that. I'm wondering what I should make the solve be.
Well, you should make the what beam?
How to solve to get past these. What if I made her pushable? And then I would need to add a rigid body, right?
Yeah.
Push. Yes. Oh, too far. Oh no, that still worked. That worked.
Oh, what in the world?
Maybe I do have that too close to him. I'm fine with that being the fix. What do you think?
Yeah, that's fine with me.
Hey babe, are you in bed? I want you to look at this and tell me what you think. Pushable, rigid body, and then freeze. Alright, tell me what you think of the mannequin room. I'll wait for the music to kick in. So you can't jump past her. That's what you actually have to do. Push. It's... Is that creepy enough for you with the little creepy dolls and the pregnant lady? Ain't no going back on this one. You're permitted once you jump past those ladies.
It reminds me of like the first or second episode of Westworld.
Mm-hmm.
When they're explaining like what they do to keep.
Yeah. Now he doesn't have his flashlight. Let me try to get to this. Well, it's never gonna look right with the flashlight thing, right? I just need to put this as a prefab for you. I think it's in a good enough spot to call it done. The only thing that I can think of is I could see adding another row of mannequins which you turn on the flashlight.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm interested to see how the flashlight looks with it. Also, should we change our, like, I want to change, yeah. You have another wall texture in here somewhere. I want to add in another one of these.
Yeah, working it.
There's a lot of mannequins in this room. Oh, I need to find where this one is. That happens to be in the office. I'm gonna kill that one. I think we want to stick with that animated scene in the beginning anyway, so. All right, so now I delete the mannequin scene from the room or from the thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then I go to the world controller. Is that what it is? And I add it there.
Yep. But it has to have the prefab.
Yeah.
Has to have 2 game objects called.
I'm letting you add those in.
Oh well, it's not gonna work. Adding it to the room is not gonna work if it doesn't have that.
That's fine.
Those anchors. I'm just saying it's gonna try to pick it and it's gonna error out because it's not gonna find the anchor in the.
Well, all right. Well, then
If it gets
I'll take
picked
it
as a
out
random
for
one.
now. Are you happy? I took it out. It's no longer there. Or we return him back to his room. What? Gosh darn it. They're not in there. Not warehouse. Mannequin room. Eat. Right, you. You. All right, I'm pushing my changes now.
Okay.
Oh no!
What?
It's 2 minutes till midnight. No, 1 minute till midnight, and I can't eat anything past midnight.
Well, that's you better go eat something quick.
Ah. I'll be right back.
Is it done pushing?
It should be. I don't know. Is it?
Mm.
Does it say you got an update? Do a git fetch.
Bet you can't guess what file I have to. Oh shoot!
What?
Oh, that was close.
What?
I accidentally discarded changes on the wrong file.
Oh no! Don't do that.
Okay, let me reload the scene.
Open up a bag. Midnight.
While I was still at work, what did you do about food? You never gave me an answer.
Be an option right away.
I'm trying to give you slightly more lasagna. You said no and gave me some.
Alright, what else are we doing, Jorge? Are you going to bed?
Huh?
So what else are we doing? Are you going to bed?
I'm getting ready to go here in a minute, but I'm just trying to get this finished up.
Well, make sure you pull down the change and see.
I did.
Okay.
Next room created. I don't know if this will work. I'm trying to get it so that it will delete and spawn the rooms based on how far away you are. Oh, oops.
Well, if you set the game object that you talked about needing in the mannequin room, I'll base the next room off the mannequin room. So that way those objects are already there.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yep. Why are you not deleting the room? And why is there so many freaking rooms created?
I want to play through it with the flashlight.
Oh, there we go. So it deleted the room. But now if I come back over here. What's up with that wall? I'm fine with us leaving it, but that's weird. Oh, what in the world? I would leave it. I mean,
It's weird.
kind of fits the, the theme of the game, no?
It really does. That's an unintentional glitch right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm happy with this room. It's a weird room. And it has a decent puzzle in it. Simple puzzle. Decent.
Oh, damn it. Okay, I think.
Oh, that's right. I wanted to add an invisible wall so you can't jump past that. Sorry, what?
No, I'm just I'm testing this. I want to see if it creates the room in the starting. Which I don't even know if I have that functionality. Did I even create that? Create procedural room. Of course, I didn't. No wonder. Oh god, I'm not even sure this is gonna work. It did it. Bruh.
It's about time.
Well, why the heck is it not deleting the extra ones? It's like sometimes the calculation doesn't kick in right. Do you see that?
Yeah, I see the.
Depending on the way, on which way we go, it generates the room. So can I delete this mannequin? Oh, you deleted it already. Never mind. Ignore me.
I will ignore you.
So here, I'm gonna go ahead and commit this.
Commit away. I have one more update that I haven't pushed up yet. That fixes that puzzle where you can accidentally like get trapped between the boxes and the stairs if you jump over the boxes.
Yeah.
So I fixed that by just putting like a random pipe that's coming down.
Alright, I'm gonna try to add. I'm gonna add those anchors. What is it? Start anchor and anchor to the mannequin.
Said you push the change.
Yep. But do you see what I'm doing with the anchors? It's just an empty game object.
Uh-huh.
And then I'm just trying to like position it right where. Well, I guess it would have to be down here so that it's on the same level. I don't know. We can play around with it and move it around. So that's the start, and this is the end.
I pushed up that prefab change.
Um, what prefab change? Oh, with
The one for
the
the warehouse.
thing that you just did?
Yeah, to fix that puzzle.
Okay. Alright, let me try with this room and see. Alright, got the mannequin room in. Let's see. Let's see if it works.
Let's see.
Oh, what the hell? Why did it spawn over here? Oh my god, that wall.
It's a freaky wall.
Yeah. So what am I supposed to do to get?
Oh, you figured it out?
Am I... being held up by mannequins?
Oh, you were able to jump it. Nice.
Yep. What in the world? Yeah, I gotta keep working on this. It's like for some reason they keep spawning inside of each other, which is weird.
I wonder if you're able to jump over them because of that weird spawning.
I don't know.
Because I wasn't able to jump over them. You're supposed to have to move. Like, it seems like you're off course.
Yeah. Okay, so right now it says that I haven't been in any rooms. Here I'm in the office. Then here I'm in the warehouse. It should not spawn any mannequins. Don't spawn any mannequins. But then here, there should be another room. Yeah. And then, so right about here, the other room that I just came from should be deleted. Or actually, no, because that one is hard coded. It is not procedural. So this one that I'm in should be deleted next. So let's see. There should be another room. So if I jump, now this one that I just came from should be getting deleted sometime. Yeah, so it just got deleted. And then when I come over here, we should generate another one. Yep, created the mannequin one. Whoa, and I fell.
Yeah, so you're off course again.
Yeah, I
That
don't think I'm off course. I think that
the room's being set off?
oh yeah, like it's off. It's I think let me see. So if I follow it and follow it, why is it so low looking? How far does oh it goes up pretty
I just made it like super tall.
yeah.
Because at
I'm
one
just trying
point he could accidentally jump out of it, so I was just like, making it super tall now.
but yeah, like it's not matching for some reason. The you see I mean they look like they're lined up. It's just do we go in through that crack down here? I thought we went in through oh so do we do go in through here? And then from there we would jump into here. I don't know, like, it's just so weird. But then here,
Oh yeah, that room looks offset wrong.
yeah. But anyway, so let me pull him up.
Why is there always a gap between the rooms?
I just think it's because of the anchors. See, like, there's not a gap between these two. It's just that, like, I think it's where I position the anchors. Like, I think in this one I might have put the start anchor over here instead of
Gotcha.
like up over here.
Gotcha.
Actually, here I can just check real quick. The end anchor, yeah. See, the anchor for this one
Gotcha.
is right there, so I need to move it. But yeah, so if I get him and move him this way towards the middle of the room, it should delete this one on the left. Let me see. Oh, it's paused. Yeah, see, it deleted it. Now, if I move it back, it creates a random one again. And if I
Yeah.
come back over here, well, actually, oh, okay. So I think the more I keep doing this, it's just creating some more over here
Gotcha.
because I didn't actually cross over. So, but when I came over here, it thought that, okay, that's just an extra check that I have to add. Let me fix this room real quick. And anchor is from the start anchor. No, which one?
Yeah, I think it's that one that's off because it needs to be set in more. Not that
This
one.
right here?
Yeah, that one right there. Yeah, that needs to be pushed in. There you go. And yeah, I mean you can change the wall size and whatnot so that it matches up because it doesn't need to overextend that much. I wouldn't use that tool.
Well, how do you
I would use the
this?
yeah. The scaling will do it on like scale in from both sides. And I mean the back wall doesn't really matter that much at all. I don't think, but it's just trying to help not have too much light in the room.
Yeah. Uh,
You didn't pull down my change.
what change?
But I've changed that prefab. That room. It will not let you do what you just did.
Okay, moment. Oh, there we go. That didn't really need to jump, man. It's closer. It's still offset a little, but I think I might be offset a little. Oh my.
There you went, man. Oh, I don't like that. I want you to have to do the puzzle.
Well, I don't know what the puzzle is.
The puzzle is the lady. You're doing it now. You're doing it now. And you just spawned like a bunch of the same rooms.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a bunch of these rooms.
See,
Okay, so
I couldn't jump over backwards. How are you doing this?
I don't know.
Because I repeatedly tried to jump like over them again and again and again. I was like, all right, you can't go backwards. That's fine.
You mean like this way?
No, like once you got past the ladies holding the other lady. And where's the lady that in the beginning? What's going on? You've spawned like a bunch of different rooms here. That's weird.
Yeah. So how am I supposed to? Yeah, I have to check. I have to add like an extra check to make sure it doesn't create a room where there's already a room.
Mm-hmm.
But anyways, I'm gonna go to bed. I'll work on this some more tomorrow.
Alright.
It'll probably be tomorrow night
Get
since.
to one of the mannequin rooms.
Okay, hold on.
And
Uh,
stop doing that.
hold on. Let me pull your change. Let me get rid of the stupid reflection probe.
You love that reflection probe. I'm about to get ignore it, by the way.
So let's see. Ah. That's
You
smart.
you have to push that box.
Look how slow it
I
falls.
know. I hate it. Whatever.
Okay, let me see if I can figure out the mannequin thing without. If it doesn't, if this room doesn't start spawning inside of the mannequin room.
Well, I think if you keep on running forward, your script works fine.
Let's see. Yeah,
Oh,
something.
it's definitely off.
So, length of building is still. Yeah, so how the heck did I get. Am I still inside of it? I can't really tell. It's hard to tell with the.
Yeah, I think you're still inside of it, but the that where it's generating it is off course.
Oh, yeah, you know what? Because it probably goes like if it's not aligned correctly, it's probably going like to the right a little bit every time that it spawns in.
Yeah.
Okay. We shall continue running.
I think you knocked yourself out of the actual thing though.
Oh, hold on. It's not gonna spawn. It's not gonna spawn in that room because I never added it. Oh, damn. I keep forgetting. Oh, man. Keep stuck.
Oh,
Yep, there goes the mannequin room back there. Hmm. Okay. Okay, so am I supposed to do something with this lady?
why don't you try and find out? You are definitely off course, but yeah, yeah, the character is off course completely.
Yeah.
But yeah, you're supposed to. I could not jump over the.
What in
Whoa!
the world?
It spawned 3 of those rooms at once, and then it despawned it. Do you see those ladies disappear?
Yeah.
Um, I could not
What
jump
happened?
over
Hold on,
them.
let me go back. So, okay, I came back to this room from the same type. Let me see. Like it should be. Maybe I'm not far away enough. Oh man. Okay. What was I gonna try? I can't remember.
I don't know what you're gonna try.
Oh yeah, you know what I was thinking for the prefabs? I was thinking of maybe just getting the start anchor and setting it to 0, 0, 0, and then moving. Then I would move the whole thing to
The whole
line up.
room. Yeah.
Yeah, that way all of the start um all of the start anchors would be in the same exact spot for every. Well, actually, I don't know if that would even matter. I don't know if it would just end up being the same thing. So um I think the way that we could do this is by like create an empty, and then we could throw all of these in here. Well, except for the anchors. Throw all of them inside, and then to line it up. Okay. Okay, yeah, it did. Yeah, I was just confused there for a second. Where the hell did those anchors go? Hold on. I'm just gonna undo everything. So, like I was saying, you get all of these, and we throw them into
If you do create empty parent,
like.
it
Oh
will.
yeah, there we go. So now, then what we can do is so we'll set the start anchor to 0, and then we will set this one um, inside of the start anchor. And then, isn't there a way of like setting the position relative to the parent? I thought that's how it was supposed to be. Like if I set this to 0, 0.
I don't know exactly what you're trying to do, but yeah, as soon as you put it inside of an object, it's you then can do based off the parent's position is what its math is done off of.
Hold on. Let's see. Like if I move it this way. No. Yeah. I forgot how it was that like I've done this before, but I can't remember. I'm just trying to get it so that this would be well nah, it still wouldn't work because the gizmo for the game object is in. So yeah, I think we would still have to. We would still
But
have.
basically, what you're saying is we just need to make sure that our anchors are lined up correctly to the corner.
Yep.
Yeah. All right. Well, I can mess with that later. You push your changes of like the script and stuff.
Yeah, I already pushed it.
Yeah. I can try to mess with the anchors to try to get it lined up.
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out like how to like an easy way. Oh, man.
You sure you did a push?
No, I'm not sure, but I'm sure. Yeah. You sure you did a pull?
Yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit in context so that I can try to make sure that they're lined up that way.
Oh yeah. All right, well, I'm gonna get off of here. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm tired, and I got a 4-hour drive tomorrow.
Have fun.
Yeah. I'll see you.
See ya.
Have a good night.
You too. artwork look weird now too? I went ahead and changed her rotation. I don't know if that makes more sense. I am. Then that's probably that's okay because I'm not even looking at the messages. There are. Alright. I'm calling it a night.